Hi guys, welcome back. Quick short video today, just going over math and teaching the math lesson from today, which is really easy, but I'm not making a big deal about it since most of you will be on Zoom and you'll be learning it that way. But this is good for if maybe you missed the Zoom meeting or you didn't understand it during the Zoom meeting. These videos are always here to help. Before we start the math lesson, don't forget for ELA, all you had to do today was the fluency passage, the same fluency passage that we've been doing every week since third grade. So please don't tell your parents you don't know how to do this. You know exactly what to do. You know how to answer each question in complete sentences. You only have 3 questions to answer, so it makes it that much easier. You had to finish your spelling contract if you haven't finished it, and you only had to do 3 skills on that. You could pick any of the 3. If you haven't finished iExcel for ELA, you only had to pick 2 out of 6. There were 6 different things on X, and you had to pick 2 of the 6 to do and get an 80 or better. And it was on using ER and EST. Latin and Greek roots. That's what it was. Sorry, I forgot which one it was. Then for science, if you didn't do your science on Tuesday, you had that to do. But if you did on Tuesday like you were supposed to, you don't have any science to do. So really all you had was a little bit of ELA, which should have mostly been finished, except for the fluency passage. But you know that we do that every single Thursday. So if you want to get ahead of the game, you always can do that. I don't care. Just don't send it to me until Thursday. And then you have math, which we're going to do together today. And that's it. So have a great day. Be good. Have a blessed Easter. Spend some time with your family. Remember, the reason for Easter is because Jesus died on the cross for us, to save us, because he loved us so much. And the secret word of the day today is chocolate bunny. Ooh, I wish I had chocolate bunny right now. Have an amazing day. I love you guys. And here is the math video. Math video. Bye. Okay, boys and girls, here we go. Add mixed numbers with like denominators. 6 and 1/6 plus 3 and 4/6. Look at the 6 and the 3. Add them together. 6 plus 3 is 9. Your denominator is 6. So then you just say 1 plus 4 is 5. 9 and 5/6. Erase, erase, erase. Erase, erase. Okay, number 2. 5 and 2/5 plus 4 and 2/5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5th. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5th. 9 and 4/5. Erase, erase, erase. Number 3. 8 and 2/8 plus 2 and 5/8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Your denominator is 8. 5 plus 2 is 7. 10 and 7/8. Number 4. Erase, erase, erase. 4 and 3/12 plus 3 and 4/12. Add that 4 and 3, get 7. 12 is our denominator. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 and 7/12. Number 5. Okay, here comes to a tricky one, but we can get through this. 8 and 1/2 plus 9 and 1/2. Oh, I made a mistake. Oops, erase, erase. 9. 9, hello. Make your 9. There you go, and 1/2. 8 plus 9 is 17. And 1/2 plus 1/2. Oh, wait. Okay, I know you guys know this. 2 over 2 equals 1, right? So if I'm adding that, I'm going to have to add that whole 1 into my 17, which is a whole number. And that makes 18. So 8.5 plus 9.5 makes 18. We'll do a couple more like this today, so you'll get used to it. Number 6, 3 and 2/4 plus 2 and 1/4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. And of course, your denominator is 4. I just kind of did a little bit backward on that one. Erase, 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 erase. There we go. Number 7, 2 and 1/5 plus 5 and 2/5. 2 plus 5 is 7. Denominator is 5. So 7 and 3/5. At this point, you probably have it. But there are about 4 problems that are going to be a little bit tricky. So keep watching so we can go through those. Number 8, 2 and 4/8 plus 2 and 1/8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 and 5/8. Okay, so number 9 is one of the ones that's going to be a tad bit tricky, but we'll get through it, like I said, with the other one. 8 plus, or 8 and 2/3 plus 6 and 2/3. 8 plus 6 is 14 thirds. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4. There you go, 4. 4/3. Now, I noticed that 4/3 is an improper fraction. What to do, what to do? So I'm going to have to take 4/3 and change it into a mixed number. I know that 3 goes into 4 one time. with a remainder of 1. So that'll be 1 and 1/3. Now I have to add that 1 onto my 14. So it's 15 and 1/3. Kind of tricky, but you guys are super smart. I know you can do it. Number 10, 6 and 3/10 plus 2 and 6/10. Six plus 2. Oh my goodness, what did I do here? I actually kind of made it all crazy. But 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 8 and 9/10. Erase, 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 erase. Now on number 11, there isn't a fraction to go with the other add-in, but that's okay. We don't really need it. So I'm just saying 7.5 plus 4. So I'm just doing 7 plus 4, which is 11. Then add that 1/2 on to the end, and we have 11 and 1/2. Number 12, 9 and 2/4 plus 7 and 3/4. 9 plus 7 is 16. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4. Oh no, improper fraction. So we have to take that 5/4 and change it into a mixed number. 4 goes into 5 one time with remainder of 1. So 1 and 1/4. Add that to that 16. And we have 17 and 1/4. Erase, erase, erase. Okay, 3 more to go on the bottom. 7 and 6/12 plus 1 and 7/12. Oh, I can see that this is one that's going to be a tad bit tricky. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 7 is 13. 12. Oh no, improper fraction. So I have to say, how many times is 12 going to 13? Well, 1 time. With a remainder of 1, so it's 1/12. Going to add that 1 plus, or 8 plus 1/12, which will equal, I ran out of room over there, 9 and 1/12. Erase, erase, erase. Erase, erase, come on, erase. I don't know why it's taking so long to erase. Erase, erase. There, Okay, number 12, or number 14, sorry. 4 and 3/5 plus 3 and 1/5. 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 is your denominator. 4 is your numerator. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 7 and 4/5. Last one on this side. Number 15. Erase, erase. 5 4/8. Plus 3 3/8. Eight and 7/8. Erase, 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 erase it all. Okay, so up top of your paper, they showed you a way of doing this, which is not a way I would ever teach it to you, but if you saw it up there, I figured it'd be worth mentioning. So up top, they had 2 4/5 plus 1 3/5. They showed you up top to change those mixed numbers back into improper fractions and then add them together that way. So that would be taking 5 times 2, which is 10, plus 4, makes 14/5, and 5 times 1, which is 5, plus 3 is 8, which makes 8/5. Then you add that together. 8 plus 14 plus 8, geez, Ms. Vaughn, is 22/5. Then you would take that 22/5 and then turn it back into a mixed number again, which would be 4 2/5. I would probably never ever do it this way. And you're going to see that I'm going to write on the screen. This way is too hard. Too hard. Too many steps. You're better off just adding it the other way, and if you come up with an improper fraction at the end, then adding the improper fraction in. Way less steps. I hope this helped you guys, and I hope that it helps you to understand doing this better. Remember, this is on Zoom as well. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Oh, there's an example. 5 4/5 plus 6 3/5. See, this is my easier way of doing it. 5 plus 6 is 11. 4 plus 3 is 7/5. I know that 7/5 can become 1 2/5. So I would just add that 1. And now we have 12 2/5. A lot easier to do it that way. Thank you for watching and have a great, great day.